In this video, you'll learn how to delete completed tasks in Microsoft To Do. If you've been using Microsoft To Do for a while, your lists can start to get a bit crowded, even when tasks are marked as completed. Removing old completed tasks is a great way to keep things clean and focused, so you only see what really matters right now. First, you'll want to open the list that contains the completed tasks you want to remove. This might be a personal list, a work list, or something like a shopping or project list. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct list because deleting tasks is permanent. Once a task is deleted, it won't be available in your completed section anymore, so double check that you truly don't need it. After you've opened the right list, you'll notice that your active tasks are usually shown at the top. Completed tasks are hidden by default so they don't clutter your view. To see them, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list. As you reach the end, look for a section labeled Completed. This is a header that groups all the tasks you've already checked off in this list. Click or tap on the Completed header to expand it. When you expand this section, all of your completed tasks for that specific list will become visible. This is a good time to quickly scan through them and decide which ones you want to keep for reference and which ones you no longer need. For example, you might want to keep completed tasks related to long-term projects, but remove small one-off items that you're sure you won't need to revisit. Now let's delete a task on the desktop version of Microsoft To Do. Find the specific completed task you want to remove. Move your mouse over that task, then right-click on it. A small context menu will appear with several options related to that task. From this menu, select Delete Task. As soon as you choose this option, the task will be removed from your list entirely. It will no longer appear under completed tasks, and you won't see it in your active tasks either. If you have a lot of completed tasks to clean up, you can repeat this process, right-clicking each one you want to remove and choosing Delete Task. It's a good practice to pause occasionally and check that you're only deleting items you're sure you don't need. Once deleted, the task is gone, so if you think you might want a record of it later, you may prefer to leave it in the completed section instead of removing it. By regularly expanding your completed section and deleting tasks you no longer need, you can keep Microsoft To Do neat and organized. This makes it easier to focus on your current priorities without getting distracted by a long history of finished items. With just a few clicks, your lists will feel lighter, clearer, and more manageable.